Alright guys, doing a little bit of bluegill fishing here. Got a little piece of powerbait with a bobber, small bobber. We're gonna see what's over here. And look at that, we already got a bite. Oh. I think I lost my bait already. That was fast though. Yep, lost the bait. Using a very small hook, since bluegill have very small mouths. Get all these weeds off of there. This lake is by my house. It's a private lake. I usually come here to catch bluegill for catfish bait. And we're gonna see what happens today. I'm not really doing much today. I'm just hanging out. Just bored. Figured I'd come out, do some fishing. Right, again, cast it right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. And there goes the bobber already. There we go. Oh, we let him go. He got off. As you can tell, this lake is full of bluegill. Absolutely full. Also full of weeds right now. Let's see. Seems like this power bait's working really good. I actually brought a piece of bread too, just in case. I don't really like using food inside lakes because it kind of contaminates the water depending on where you are. And this is a very small lake. And look, already. Right on, as soon as it hits the water. I think they're just stealing my bait. Yeah. I think he stole my bait already. As soon as I throw it out there, it's gone. Unbelievable. This power bait's really working. Kind of impressed. Kind of impressed that it hits the water that quickly and bam, they're on. But I'm gonna have to do something a little bit better here. Oh, tangled. Okay, another cast here. Hopefully they don't steal my bait again. Look at that. As soon as it hit the water. Look at that. There it goes. There it goes. Got him. This is a small one. I should tighten my drag, but I'm not trying to reel these in too quickly. Give them some life, you know. That is a perfect size bluegill. Perfect. Right in the top of the lip. Take that right out. Sometimes these bluegill, their jaws are very, very easy to rip off, so you don't want to rip their jaws off. See that? Look at that. Nice, huh? And that's perfect size bait. Oop! We dropped them in the grass. Alright, there he is. Go ahead, buddy. Back in you go. Alright, that's one. actually really enjoy bluegill fishing because it is super easy to catch them. I mean, you can catch them in any lake, any kind of bait, and do that same thing with this bait, with that hook show. See, my hands are really wet now, so this bait is not wanting to roll very nicely. Maybe I should have brought a towel. As you can see, this lake doesn't go very far. This is about as big as it is right here. Watch, as soon as it hits the water. Oh, maybe not this time. There it goes. And fish. Nope. Just gonna say fish on. And give them enough time. Should let the bobber go down. Oh, this is an easy way to get rid of this power bait. I've had this power bait for quite a while. Definitely over a couple years. And I actually stopped fishing with power bait because it just wasn't working out for me. I was trying to get some trout fishing in, and it just was not working. Oh, that was a nice one. Ah, he stole it. Yeah, he just stole the power bait. Crazy how fast they hit it though. I mean, this lake is loaded with bluegill. A couple years ago they stocked it with bluegill, crappie, largemouth, and they are just ridiculous. Another piece of power bait. Again, I gotta not hide that hook because they are just gonna keep stealing it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He stole it already? I think so. Nope. Still hitting it. There it is. There it is. Come on. Yeah, he stole it already. Maybe we should see if we have better luck on bread. No. No, let's just use the power bait. Man, look how fast that power bait is gone. Just like that. Let's see if maybe the smaller piece gets hit best. Right there. And it's on. Oh. Yeah, not as good as I thought it was, huh? But it is awesome when you are constantly being hit. Again, with that hook show. Oh, sounds like some thunderstorms coming in. Oh, we got a bit of a snag here. Okay. Did I do that right? No. No, I didn't. So I was tangled up twice there. Yep, I was. Alright, powerbait. Stop falling off so fast. Look at this, instantly. And it's bobbing a little bit, little bites. Nope. Might have to try a new tactic here. They keep stealing my bait. Got him. Another nice smallie. No, not a smallie. Small bluegill. That's a smaller one. But again, look right where I got him hooked. Top of the mouth. That's a perfect hook set. And if we can get this out really easily. I just don't want to hurt him at all. He's a small one. There we go. See that? Nice bluegill. Alright, go ahead. You live a day. Live another day. I'm really actually trying to go to Lake Wallenpaupack pretty soon. Probably by next week. They have a lake fest out there. And I'm looking to catch a nice striped bass. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get it on camera, but it would be nice if I could. Again, these are like nice size bluegill for catfishing, just for live bait fishing. These are nice size. I don't personally like using live bait. You know, I don't like harming fish. Don't eat fish. I just love fishing for them. Just the sport of it. Get me out of the house. Ah. I think I lost that bait again. But you see how fast it is? Literally a second. It hits the water for a second. Talking quiet because I don't necessarily, I'm shy, camera shy. I don't want people listening to what I'm saying here. Sure, I'm not the only one. tell you this much. This power bait's working great for bluegilling.